Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device meets requirements. Android 12 or newer and vendor firmware with Standby Pro support. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then make sure ADB is available over USB or wireless. You do this because Standby Pro needs elevated access to adjust app standby buckets and performance profiles. Without ADB, you'll be limited to UI toggles. Also plug in a charger during setup to avoid DOS interruptions while you change system-level settings. Next, you map apps to the right standby buckets using ADB commands like a db shell set standby bucket, so you control background execution and alarms. Make sure to prioritize messaging and critical services in active or working set. This preserves timely notifications. Then tweak network and background restrictions per bucket to balance battery versus functionality. Once you assign buckets, adjust timeouts and motion sensitivity for aggressive standby policies so the system only enforces limits when the device is truly idle, avoiding false positives. To finish, validate your configuration by checking a db shell dumpsy's device idle and observing app behavior for 24 hours. You want to confirm that critical apps remain responsive while background drains drop. If an app misses notifications or syncs, revert it to a less restrictive bucket or clear battery optimizations for that app. Also make sure alarms aren't being deferred. If problems persist, disable aggressive motion sensing temporarily. A single key troubleshooting tip. Always check the app's notification and background permissions first before changing system standby rules.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.